Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about Flavospas Tablet, weak coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Torrent Pharmaceuticals, Ltd. Flavospas Tablet. Uses. Flavospas Tablet is used in the treatment of muscle spasms of the urinary tract. It helps manage bladder muscle spasms that can cause urinary problems. Benefits. Flavospas Tablet helps treat uncontrollable contractions, also known as spasms, of the bladder muscles. These spasms can lead to frequent urination, an urgent need to urinate, and difficulty controlling the passage of urine. The medicine also relieves painful, frequent, or nighttime urination and reduces urinary urgency that may occur with certain urinary tract infections. It starts acting quickly, usually within 2 to 3 hours, and helps improve overall quality of life when taken as prescribed. Side effects. Like all medicines, Flavospas Tablet may cause side effects in some individuals. A commonly reported side effect is nausea. If this side effect persists or worsens, medical advice should be sought. How to use. Take Flavospas Tablet exactly in the dose and duration advised by your doctor. Swallow the tablet whole. Do not chew, crush, or break it. It should be taken with or after food. How it works. Flavospas Tablet is an antispasmodic medicine. It works by relaxing the muscles of the urinary bladder. This helps prevent frequent, urgent, or uncontrolled urination and also relieves associated pain.